Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to fill a character with text in Adobe Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, create a new layer and select the text tool, Arial, black, type any text, press Ctrl T on your keyboard, hold Shift, drag on your mouse, again hold Ctrl, align, middle or center. Okay, then click the text tool, right click, create work path, hide the text and type manually or copy paste. I already copied this text or example, use this. Double click, increase the text size. Okay, click this icon, character, paragraph, align, fill, align. Increase the text size, line size. Okay, text size 650, paragraph, use this. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.